Sometimes when I am aching with a sorrow or a struggle in my heart, and I reach for you to hold me in your arms, there's a moment that I treasure, a moment when I know you'd move a mountain for me. Then I feel you take my trembling hands and lift me to a higher view. No, I could not do this thing alone. No, no, without a trusted friend like you. If I'm a seeker, then you are my sunrise, my savior and my seer, my shelter in the storm. I hold you so dear, my soulmate and my twin flame, my Sherpa and my shore, my shining light from heaven. And I hope I give you something for your heart, a blessing or another clue. And I can sing it from the mountaintops. Oh, that I am blessed to have a friend like you. I love you and I love you. I trust you with my life. I'll walk the endless highway with you till I finally lay me down and die. I'll shoot a golden arrow for you, and where it lands I'll plant a tree, and this will be our sacred site, blessed by you and me. Somehow it's like I've always known you. I've known you in my heart. Your story is my own. We're walking the same path, hungry for redemption. Two children on the road, trying to find our way home. I'm so grateful that it's you I'm walking with. I can be myself with you. Come and rest your weary head upon my lap. I'm so glad I got a friend like you. We can say what we are really feeling. We can tell it like it is. That alone breaks many chains and opens many doors. To think the unthinkable and speak the unsaid, that's worth its weight in gold. I appreciate your honesty. I value what you say and do. I give my love freely, I want nothing in return, 'cause I put my belief in a friend like you. You see me and you hear me. give me time to collect my thoughts. We mirror each other clearly in a language that was never taught. You found me and then I found you, and then we discovered something else, a third force in and around us, a higher kind of spell. What is this thing that binds us? What is this call to prayer? What is this act of kindness that enables us to share? I don't know where this is leading. I don't know the time of day. All I know is my heart was bleeding till we finally met again. I love you and I love you. I trust you with my life. I'll walk the endless highway with you till I finally lay me down and die.